I think everybody has a dream job. My dream job is not just about to work, it's about also to travel. And now I'm experiencing that working in a cruise ship, not just to work and just to travel around the world for free. The expression, I'm so very sick, like I'm experiencing sore throat and high fever due to tonsillitis. So every time the crew is sick, we call directly to the boss. Hello boss, I'm really sick today. Yeah, I think I have a tonsillitis. Can I go to the hospital? Yes. Okay. In the hospital, the doctor will give you a medicine, and they will decide if they will give you a rest. Not more than 3 days, because more than 3 days, they will send you home. And it matters only how critical your illness is. But for me, it's just normal, so I could take a rest for 1 day. It's okay for me. After a week, they gave another crew excursion for free. Now, I've been dreaming this when I was a kid. When I was 8 years old, I always watched this. I always watch this in Discovery Channel. So now they will have a free excursion in Siam Park. So while I'm in the bus, I'm so really excited because finally this is my dream when I was a kid. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Siam Park. After I saw the entrance, it's like, oh my god, I'm finally here. I'm about to enter. It's like I'm shaking already and I'm so excited. I feel like I'm a 5-year-old kid jumping like, finally I'm here.
Are you going together? Yeah. Ito is el plan.
The best water parks in the world, so I couldn't imagine how happy I am.
Currently now in Siam Park. The entrance. Ayan ba yun? Oo, mamatay ka dito. Mamatay ka sa clip. Guys, say hi, video. Hey, alright. Future vlog. Future vlog. It's like we're in Asia, Thailand. The place here looks like Asia.
Upon entering the park, I was so amazed because there are lots of water slides, so I might gonna enjoy it the whole day. So this excursion, we just have to enjoy this for 3 hours, so we just have to run and go for a next ride and then run again. It's just like an amazing race, so I don't care. I don't care if I get tired the whole day, as now I will enjoy this day. So the line is so very long, so we have to wait because we don't have the VIP, which is we could access directly to the water slide. So yeah.
Baba pa yan, oh.
So this is it. I'm enjoying the day, like experiencing the adrenaline during the water slide is so amazing.
Hindi, unahin nyo pa. Puta na, uno pa sa first. Uno pa sa first.
Dalawa.
Sino kayo dalawa? Kayo dalawa.
The excursion, I'm so very tired, like, but still I left a smile on my face, like I finally made it. Like, it's just a dream, you know. It's just an ordinary dream, but finally I was able to experience this and make it happen. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to follow me Instagram, there's a link this side. So if you follow me in Facebook, there's a link also. So just keep on subscribing, guys, and don't forget to like and share my videos. I hope you enjoy this adventure, so that I will make more videos to you. So thank you for watching. Bye.